To make our strawberry and kiwi massage bars, you'll need the following: a spatula, a thermometer, a set of silicone molds, a kitchen knife, a set of kitchen scales, and a double boiler. If you don't have a double boiler, then you'll need a pan and a heat-proof bowl. You'll also need melt and pour crystal soap base, Craftovator's strawberry and kiwi fragrance oil, a bottle of rubbing alcohol or isopropyl alcohol in a spray bottle, and Craftovator's pink mica powder. Start by removing the soap base from the container and chop into small cubes. Using the top bowl of your double boiler or your heat-proof glass bowl, measure out 300 grams of your soap base. Next, measure out 6 grams of your strawberry and kiwi fragrance oil. Next, measure out 1 gram of your Craftovator pink mica powder. Now fill your bottom pan with just a few inches of water. Next, set the pan of water on your hob to low to medium heat until it begins to simmer. Place the top pan of base into the bottom pan of water and allow the base to slowly melt. Once the temperature reaches around 65 to 70 degrees, remove it from the heat. The soap will be hot, so please do be careful. Next, add your mica powder and stir well until it's fully dispersed in the mix. If any bubbles form in the mix, simply spray with your isopropyl alcohol to disperse the bubbles. Keep an eye on the temperature and make sure that it doesn't fall below 60 degrees. At around 60 degrees, you'll add your fragrance oil. Stir this in really well for about 90 seconds. If the temperature does fall below 60 degrees, you can simply pop this in the microwave for about 30-second bursts in your heat-proof glass bowl, or you can return it to the heat. Spray the silicone molds with the isopropyl alcohol spray. This will just disperse any bubbles in the base, and then very slowly pour your base into the molds. You can also spray the top of your molds just to get rid of any remaining bubbles. Now you'll need to leave it set for about 4 to 6 hours. After this time, you can very carefully remove your soaps from the molds. It can be a little bit tricky, but do be patient with this step. The nice thing about Melt and Pour soap base is that you can use it straight away. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial for kiwi and strawberry massage bars using Melt and Pour soap. For more information and for more tutorials, please visit Craftovator Academy.